Next topic beta, winnowing. As in our previous section we have discussed the definition of winnowing. Again I am going to repeat. What is winnowing? The process of separation of grain from husk and hay with the help of wind is called winnowing. So generally this method is based on the properties of grains, because grains are heavier than husk and hay. Husk and hay are the outermost covering of grains. So farmers generally use this method for separating wheat grains from husk and hay. How they do that? They drop the mixture of wheat and husk and hay from height, like this way. Farmer is doing winnowing from the height, and lighter one husk and hay are carried away by wind from the heap at a small distance away from the main grain part, like this way. Okay, the wheat grain being heavier, so it fall on the vertically downward side and form a heap, and husk and hay become lighter in weight, so that's why they move little bit distance away from the main grains. Okay beta. Next is beta threshing. The process threshing. What is threshing? The process of separating grains from sun-dried stalks is called threshing. Sun-dried stalks. So what is sun-dried stalks? Beta, in this farmer cut the crops with their stalks and keep it in sun for drying, and after that the stalk are beaten against any hard surface, like this way, hard surface as a large rock or a stone slab, etc. So by this they can free the grains from their outer one stalks. Okay, so threshing is done with the help of animal also, but large quantity of stalks can be subjected to machine which is called thresher. This is thresher. Nowadays big farmers having big land, they do this, they do threshing by thresher. Next topic beta, separating insoluble solid from liquid. So how we can do that separation, separating insoluble solids from liquid? Insoluble solids means which are not mixed in any liquid. So for that thing we use a different method like sedimentation, decantation, loading, filtration and churning. This method we will discuss one by one. First one is sedimentation. Okay, so what is sedimentation and decantation? That is generally done to separate first of all coarse particle. What are the coarse particle beta? Coarse. That coarse particle generally rough and large particle, which are large in size, large size particle. Okay, these coarse particle of the solid from the liquid which are insoluble in liquid, means not mixed in liquid. Example, the coarse particle of sand which is in muddy water, muddy, you know, muddy water, dirty water, that can be separated by decantation. Even at your home, before cooking, rice, pulses, etc. are washed with water to remove that fine coarse particle. Okay, so wash water is removed by decantation.